Hi, I'm Jane Ransom, your brain trainer and author of Self-Intelligence. In this quick video, I'll teach you a guided meditation that will help you relax and re-energize. To make it easy for you to remember so that you can practice it on your own later if you like, I call it my BLT meditation. BLT. B is for breathe into your body. L is for let go of your burdens. T is for turn on your light. There's a lot of science behind this simple meditation. Step 1, breathe into your body. We will activate the parasympathetic function of your autonomic nervous system to help you calm and relax. Step 2, let go of your burdens, will employ something that scientists call embodied cognition, moving your body to influence your mind. Let's practice that movement right now. So if you would, hold your arms out with your palms up, as though you were carrying something in each hand. Got that? Excellent. And then gently lower your arms as though you were completely letting go of whatever it was you were carrying. Good job. Step 3, turn on your light. We will use mental imagery to tap into the power of your visual cortex. That's back here. It's a big powerhouse of the brain. Now you don't need to remember any of this science. There's no quiz. I just wanted you to know why this easy meditation is so powerful. Before we begin, for those of you who are not yet trained in diaphragmatic breathing, also called belly breathing or abdominal breathing, this is where we keep the shoulders still. And so when you breathe in and out, instead of your shoulders going up and down, your belly goes out and in. See, when we go like this, that actually tenses your shoulders, makes you more tense. Instead, try keeping your shoulders still, allowing your belly to go out and in as you breathe in and out. It might look something like this. That will relax you. Okay, for this meditation, you should be sitting comfortably in a chair with good back support, your feet flat on the floor, and your hands resting comfortably on top of your legs, palms up. In a moment, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes, so please never do this meditation while driving a vehicle. Okay, you ready? Sitting comfortably, your back against the back of the chair, your feet flat on the floor, your hands resting comfortably on your legs, palms up. When you're comfortable, please go ahead and allow your eyes to close. Step 1. Breathe into your body. Enjoy breathing deeply, breathing into your lower diaphragm so that your belly goes out and in as you breathe in and out. Very good. Now, in whatever way this makes sense to you, practice breathing all the way down into your hips. Keeping the shoulders still, imagine you can breathe all the way down into your hips. And now, as best you can, practice breathing all the way down to the tips of your toes. You're doing great. Step 2, let go of your burdens. Allow yourself now to lift your arms straight out in front of you with your hands palms up. Imagine and visualize as best you can that in each hand you are holding a heavy rock. Imagine and visualize you are putting into those rocks any inner burdens you were holding on to, any old anxiety or stress or tiredness or frustration or fear, anything at all it's time to let go of. Imagine and visualize as best you can that those rocks in your hands are becoming heavier and heavier as you transfer your burdens out of yourself into those rocks, allowing yourself to feel the weight in your hands becoming heavier and heavier. Very good. Now you can gently lower your hands to your sides to completely let go of those heavy burdens. Letting go. Now that you have let go of those burdens, once again, rest your hands comfortably on top of your legs. How much better that feels, does it not? After having let go, how much lighter you are you not? Step 3, turn on your light. Focusing on the lightness in your body, allow yourself to feel light in your body, to feel the light in your body. Imagine and visualize floating in that lightness, floating in light, as though you are being held and healed in an energy field of light. Become aware of what that might look like to you in your mind's eye. What color or colors your light might be. Is it white light? Or green light, or a rainbow of colors that you see? Is your light made of sparkles? Or is it misty? Or is it liquid light? Imagine and visualize as best you can that your light now flows into your feet, into your toes, and then upward, circulating throughout your entire body, all the way up to the top of your head, lighting you up from the inside out. And at the very same time that your light forms an energy shield around you, surrounding you. Imagine that. Your very own energy shield will protect you and lift you and energize you throughout the day. In a moment, don't do it yet, but in a moment when you open your eyes, you may feel deeply relaxed, very calm, very light, and about 5 minutes from now, you may begin to notice a wonderful energy circulating throughout your body, lighting you up for the rest of the day. Now you can gently bring your awareness back into your body, into how your back feels against the back of the chair, feeling well grounded as you flow your awareness into your feet on the floor, as you prepare to open your eyes. If you want to, you can shake out your hands as you open your eyes. Good job! Well done! The more you practice this meditation, the more powerfully you will rewire your own brain to